Welcome back. Vegetarian is easy and delicious.
Instead of letting leftover New Year's rice cakes go to waste, why not try my method? This rice paper sweet potato mochi is chewy, delicious, and super easy to make.
How long can Chinese New Year rice cakes last?
1 to 2, 3 to 6. 1 to 2 weeks refrigerated, or 3 to 6 months frozen. Store airtight to prevent drying. Q. The rice paper sweet potato mochi has a chewy wrapper with creamy filling, where the natural sweetness of sweet potato blends perfectly with rice fragrance, offering a soft, non-sticky texture with well-balanced sweetness. It's best served warm for optimal flavor, while chilled version offers a pleasantly chewier bite, making it an innovative twist on traditional rice cakes. Ingredients: rice cake, sweet potatoes, rice paper. Rice paper is a translucent, pliable sheet made from steamed rice paste, commonly used to wrap ingredients or make desserts. Peel and slice sweet potatoes. Peeling sweet potatoes makes hands sticky due to their sticky starch and sugars, which oxidize and form a slimy layer when exposed to air. To avoid sticky hands when peeling sweet potatoes, use vinegar soak, gloves, running water, salt scrub, or all the slime is oxidized starch, sugar polysaccharides. Soak hands in diluted vinegar water 1:3 ratio before peeling. The acidity prevents starch adhesion. Peel under running water or scrub hands with salt afterward and rinse to remove residue. Coat hands with oil before peeling to block starch, then wash with soap. Just steam the sweet potatoes. I steamed mine for about 20 minutes and they're perfect.
Sweet potatoes is cooked.
Mash the sweet potatoes until smooth. Tried all methods, and forking sweet potatoes is the easiest and fastest. I also love mashing them this way for potato salads. You might be wondering why mash sweet potatoes. This isn't a traditional rice cake recipe, but it's foolproof and delicious. A must-try. Some recipes add sugar here for sweetness, but I prefer the natural flavor without it. Healthier, don't you think?
Done. It's so easy and fun. So velvety smooth.
Remove rice cake from packaging.
What are rice cake made of?
Traditional rice cakes are made from pounded steamed glutinous rice or mixed with japonica rice, giving them a chewy, modern versions texture. May use rice flour for convenience, resulting in a denser bite. Sweet versions add brown sugar dates, while savory ones may include salt or mugwort. Are rice cakes high in calories? Plain rice cakes match rice in calories approximately 150 to 200 kcal, 100 g, but sugary, fried versions pack more. Enjoy moderately with veggies for balance. Note, high glycemic index G70, blood sugar sensitive individuals should monitor intake. Sliced rice cake. Fresh rice cakes are sticky and hard to cut, but chilling firms them up for easier slicing. Lightly all, or wet the knife to prevent sticking. To soften hard rice cakes, seam sliced pieces for 5 minutes, microwave with damp paper for 30 seconds, or simmer in soup for 2 minutes. Heat reverses starch retrogradation. Sweet rice cakes charm with their caramel-like aroma from brown sugar, a perfect crisp, soft texture contrast, and nostalgic festive vibes that evoke happiness. Snip the edges of the rice cakes to match these petite rice paper wraps. Step 1. Encase the rice cake in a layer of sweet potato mash. Carefully pinch and roll to form a uniform cylindrical shape. Repeat the same steps to finish all mashed sweet potatoes. Flatten mashed sweet potatoes and place rice cake on it. Cover rice cake with more mashed sweet potatoes. Carefully pinch and roll to form a uniform cylindrical shape. Just like this. Let me show you in different angles. Cute and puffy. Step 1. Soak rice paper into water. Rice paper softens gradually in water. Soak for 5 to 10 seconds for pliability, but over-soaking causes tearing. Smooth out the rice paper and position the sweet potato ball at its exact center. Fold the bottom edge over the filling, tuck in both sides, then roll tightly into a cylinder. Press gently while rolling. Don't fret about filling spills. The rice paper self-seals as it softens, hugging every edge snugly. Repeat the same steps for the remaining ingredients. Adjust the shape. Let me show you a different angle for all the steps. Sweet potatoes rolls are ready to roast. (180°) 5 minutes. This rice paper sweet potato rice cake boasts a chewy, melty texture with a subtly sweet filling, delivering pure matcha-like satisfaction in every bite. The hand-mashed sweet potato puree is luxuriously velvety, with a naturally gentle sweetness that delivers rustic comfort in every spoonful. Roll up your sleeves and make some. Nothing beats homemade goodies. They're safer, healthier, and simmering with heartfelt care for your loved ones. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. Wednesdays are for sharing my vegan life with you. Food finds, veg-friendly spots plus your Q&A. Thanks for being awesome. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. As long as one does not cling to the idea of actual meat or harbor any intention of killing, it does not contradict the essence of vegetarianism. Buddhism teaches that a pure mind brings purity to all things. What truly matters is the intention behind the practice, not the surface-level naming. Whether traditional or creative, the goal is promoting plant-based diversity. Embracing different needs makes veganism more accessible. Respect differences. Deliciousness wins. TL. The R. Agree to disagree taste rules. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.